In today's video, I'm going to show you how to maintain color consistency in Artistly AI for more professional and visually balanced artwork. First, start by choosing a clear color palette before generating your images. Decide on the main colors you want to use and include them directly in your prompt. For example, create a modern workspace with blue, white, and silver color tones. Next, use consistent style settings and presets across your projects. Reusing the same artistic style helps maintain a unified look and prevents random color shifts between images. After that, pay attention to lighting descriptions in your prompts. Words like warm lighting, cool tones, cinematic lighting, or soft natural light can greatly affect the final colors of your artwork. You can also save successful prompts and reuse them when creating similar designs. This helps Artistly AI generate more consistent visual results across multiple projects. Another useful tip is to make small adjustments instead of completely changing prompts each time. Minor refinements help preserve the original color balance while improving the artwork. And finally, review your generated images side by side to make sure the colors remain visually aligned with your branding or creative vision. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.